In this video, we're going to go through another type of transformation. Today, it's going to be translations. When a shape is translated, it is either sliding or shifting across a surface. It never flips or rotates. It's always going to look the exact same. It's just in a different position. And then we describe them as moving left or right, and then also up or down. To translate a shape of two squares, we want to pick one of the corners. So I'm going to take the top right corner this time and just say I want that to be two squares up, and then I'll plot a point. And then we just repeat that with every one. So the top left will go up two, and once we've done it for all, we just then connect them. This example is very similar, but this time we're just doing four squares to the right. So we still just pick the individual corners and say, well, four squares away will be at this point. So plot each point doing that. And then once you have all four, you just connect them with your lines. This example wants us to translate one square to the right and then three squares up. So it actually takes two steps. So if we look at that top right corner in our original rectangle, we're going to say, let's look at one to the right first. That's not our point. We then have to take it three squares up. We then just repeat this with the other three corners, and again, once you've done all three, you can just connect all the points with a line. Your shape should look exactly the same. It should just be shifted one right and three up. In this example, we're going to describe the translation from blue to red. So this time we're not actually changing where it is. We're actually going to explain how to get from blue to red. So we can say from the top right corner of the blue to the top right corner of the red, we can see it goes up 5 squares. So our description is translate 5 squares up. In this example, to describe the translation from the blue rectangle to the red rectangle, we can see that it's going to be going to the right. And then again, we can just look at the top right corner, go to the top right corner in the red, and see that it's translating 6 squares to the right. In this last example, we've got a shift from blue to red where it actually goes to the right and then up. So we can see that it translates 5 squares to the right, and then it also goes 4 squares up. That's all for this video. If you have any last questions, then go ahead and post a comment on Show My Homework, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks.